Hello everyone, I am Dr. Devapabhyam, Assistant Professor of Physics, Government College for Women Kolar. Welcome to my video lecture on work and energy problems. Session number 18. Problem number 1. Calculate the work done in lifting a mass of 10 kg to a height of 10 meter. Given mass is 10 kg, height is displacement which is 3 meter and object is lifted upwards. Direction of force is upwards. Direction of displacement is also upwards. Therefore, theta is 0 degree. Expression for work done is Fs cos theta, which is equal to force is weight mg and S is displacement cos theta. Substitute here. W is equal to mass is 10 kg, G is 9.8 meter per second square, height is 3 meter, cos 0 degree is 1. Now this is equal to 294 joule. Problem number 2. A constant force vector F is equal to 6.0 I cap plus 4 j cap Newton acts on a particle and it undergoes a displacement vector S is equal to 3.0 I cap plus 4 j cap meter. Calculate the work done by the force. Now we know that work done is equal to vector F dot vector S. Substitute vector F 6.0 I cap plus 4 j cap. Vector S is 3.0 I cap plus 4 j cap. Now W is equal to 6 into 3 I cap dot I cap plus 6 into 4 I cap dot j cap plus 4 into 3 I cap dot j cap dot I cap plus 4 into 4 j cap dot j cap. Now these unit normal vectors I cap and I cap, angle inclined between I cap and I cap is 0, angle between I cap and j cap is 90 degree. Therefore I cap dot I cap is mod I cap into mod I cap cos 0 degree. Similarly, j cap dot j cap is mod j cap into mod j cap cos 0 degree. Cos 0 degree is 1. Therefore, these two terms equal to 1. And I cap j cap are normal vectors. Angle is 90 degree. And I cap dot j cap is equal to mod I cap into mod j cap cos 90 degree. Cos 90 degree is 0. Similarly, j cap dot I cap is also 0. Now, first term is 16 is 18. Second term is 0. Third term is also 0. Fourth term 4 4 is 16 into 1. Simplify it. Finally, I will get W is equal to 34 joule. Problem number 3. The force acting on a particle moving parallel to the x-axis is F is equal to 2x plus 6x square. Calculate the work done in displacing the particle from x is equal to 1 to x is equal to 2. Force is F is equal to 2x plus 6x square. W is equal to integral from x is equal to 1 to x is equal to 2 f dx, which is equal to integral from x is equal to 1 to x is equal to 2x plus 6x square dx. Now, first term 2x, integrate it with respect to x. 2 is a constant, integral of x is x square by 2 plus 6 is a constant, integral of x square is x cube by 3. 2 cancels with each other, 3 1s are 3 2s are. Now I am left with x square plus 2x cube. Substitute the limits 1 and 2. Now this is equal to 2 square plus 2 into 2 cube minus 1 square minus 2 into 1 cube, which is equal to 17 joule. Problem number 4. A body moves along the circumference of a circle of radius 3 meter. What is the work done by a force of magnitude 25 Newton acting on the body inclined at an angle 60 degree to the tangent at any point on the circle? Here particle is moving along the circle and now force is 25 Newton. Angle between force and displacement is 60 degree. Now work done W is equal to integral of vector F dot vector ds, which is equal to Fs cos theta. F is force vector F is F cos theta. Integral of ds vector. So now take only magnitude. Magnitude of ds vector is ds. Now ds is circumference of the circle. Circumference of the circle. Displacement of the particle is along the circumference of the circle. The length of circumference is 2 pi r. Now therefore W is equal to F is 25 Newton cos 60 degree into ds is 2 into phi is 3.14 and radius is 3 meter. Substitute here. I will get W is equal to 235.5 joule. Problem number 5. A 80-gram bullet is accelerated by a rifle barrel 60 cm to a speed of 840 meter per second. Calculate the average force exerted on the bullet while it is accelerated using work energy theorem. Now given mass is 80 gram, initial velocity of the bullet is 0, final velocity of the bullet is 840 meter per second, displacement of the bullet is 60 centimeter. Now apply work energy theorem, which says that total work done is equal to change in kinetic energy. Force is F into S and final kinetic energy is half m square minus initial kinetic energy is half m naught square. W is equal to half into m is 80 gram, 80 into 10 power minus 3 kg, and final velocity is 840 meter per second square. Just square it, minus half into m is 80 into 10 power minus 3 kg into initial velocity is 0 square. This is equal to F dot S. Now work done is equal to the same thing. Now just this term goes to 0. Consider only the first term, which is 28224 and divided by displacement is 60 centimeter. So just consider this. This term is 0 and this term divided by S, which is equal to 4.710 for 4 Newton. Problem number 6. A potential energy function is U is equal to half k into x square plus y square. Find the x and y components of the force and the total force on the particle. Here potential energy function is U is equal to half k into x square plus y square. Here is x component of the force is minus dou u by dou x, which is equal to minus dou by dou x into U is half k into x square plus y square. Substitute here. This is a partial differentiation with respect to x. Therefore x is variable, y is constant, which is equal to differentiation of half k x square is minus here, half k is a constant, differentiation of x square with respect to x is 2x, and this term differentiation of y square with respect to x is 0. So therefore this is equal to 2 cancels with each other, minus kx. Similarly y component of force is minus dou u by dou y is equal to minus dou by dou y into half k into x square plus y square. Here minus half k is constant, pull it outside. Differentiation of x square with respect to y is 0. Differentiation of y square is 2y. 2 cancels with each other, which is equal to minus ky. Now total force vector is equal to x component of the force into I cap plus y component of the force into j cap, which is equal to minus k into x I cap plus y j cap. Problem number 7. A force of 4.9 Newton is applied to a block attached to the free end of a spring to keep the spring stretched from its initially stretched length of 2 mm by length of 12 mm. Point A, what is the spring constant? Point B, what is the force? What is the work done? Now point A, force. Force can be written as minus k into xf vector minus xi vector. F is equal to k into xf minus xi. This implies that consider only magnitude. K is equal to force by xf minus xi, which is equal to force is 4.9 Newton divided by xf is 12 mm minus xi is 2 mm. Now which is equal to 419 Newton per meter. Point B, work done by spring force. Ws is equal to minus half k into xf square minus xi square. Ws is equal to minus half k is 490 into xf is 12 mm whole square minus xi is 2 mm whole square. Simplify it. Finally I will get Ws is equal to minus 0.0343 joule. Thank you.